I'm Jalpa Lakhani, and today I'm going to present you image classifier with custom vision. So first we go through the table of content. In table of content we will discuss the what is the custom vision. So if we want to know about the process of custom vision, that then it is mandatory to know that what is the custom vision and how can we build our train model in a custom vision, and then what is the output by building the train model, and then last testing and challenges of our model, how it's precise and how it's working about that, and the last one is reference. So the first is what is the custom vision. Custom vision is like one Azure cognitive service of image recognition that allow us to give the tag to our images and recognize your images based on the tag and how it look like and how it's similar to the other images, how it's resized in like how it's reside in a one category. We can differentiate all the category by testing our image, and we can also give the tag and label to our image, so we can compare and count the similarity of our images. It's one kinds of machine learning algorithm to analyze our image. So the second one is process to build a model. We have a basic step to process our build model. First we need to create the project, and then we need to create a tag is like a category, and then we need to upload our images, and during the uploadation we need to give them a tag, and then we need to train the model, and then we can challenge and test our model. So I will show you in my Azure service. So this is my Azure account. It's my student account, and I created the project watercraft. I will show you how can we create the project. You can see that by popping up this window you can give your name, like I give here for a, like it's testing, so here I will show you its test model, and then a description is optional, and this is the resource that you, if you don't have any resource then you can create from here, and the project types is classification, and if you want to give like a if you want to give the multiple tag to your image, then you can choose a multi-label, and domain is general. So by clicking on this button, you can create the project, but here I already created, so I'm not going to create it. So let's go through of my project. So this is the project, and you can see that a second one is you need to create the tag. So by clicking on this plus button, you can create the tag and you can give the name. And if you want to add an images, just go on this add images, and you can select the image, and by clicking here I'm selecting image, so you can see that you can also assign the tag from here, and then by just clicking this button you can upload the images in this tag. So here I already upload the 21 images. My topic is watercraft, different kind of watercraft, and my tag is one is pontoon boats, sailboats, and sport fishing boats. So here I uploaded 7 images in all this. So you can see that this is my project, and by train the model, I already train it because it takes a lot of time. So you can see this is my performance, precision, recall, and AP. It shows the 100%. So um, like what is the precision, what is the recall, and what is the AP? So precision is like if you have like how your model is equally recognized, equally like how your bot is precision is like how your model is precise to recognize the all images. If your model has a 7 images and it recognizes 7 images truly, then it's called as a precision. And in a recall, like if your model have a 7 images of a bot and it consider as a 6 images as a bot, then it is called as a recall. And AP is like that. uh, 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 Under your precision and recall area, it's consider all the shapes and curves, it's considered as a AP. So this is my iteration. So you can see that precision is 100% of my model, recall is also 100%, and AP is also 100% of my model. Let's go through the some quick tests. So first we use the some local images to go to choose the quick test. So here I'm choosing pontoon boats. So you can see that the watercraft is 99.5 percentage of my of my this pontoon images. Let's go through the sum. So you can see that the watercraft is 99.5, and it has also pontoon deck, so it's also 19.3 pontoon. And this black curve of like a handle, it's like perform as a sail, so it's also considered the sailboats as a 4.6. And this has a sharp curve and the color is white, so it's also considered as a sport fishing as a 70%. So like this, you can choose any images and you can recognize what is the prediction for your images. So let's choose some other images. So here I'm choosing the let's choose a wardrobe. Yeah, so if I'm going in wardrobe, let's consider this. Mm, Copy image address, and I'm going to back this and then quick test. Here I'm entering URL and just go. Okay, it shows this watercraft as a 79.7%. And if I going through this, you can see that it's the white wall is also considered is a sail, so it's a sailboats as a 76.9%. And the wardrobe has a sharp curve like this edge, so it's also considered the sport fishing. And this image is also white color, so it's also considered as a sport fishing is 42.3. And this image has a sum of sitting area and it has a rectangle, so it's a pontoon as a 23.6. Some of weird images. Let's try the samosa. I'm feeling hungry by watching this image. So let's copy this address, copy image address. Now back to the custom vision, quick test. I'm entering the URL. So we can see that this is considered as a watercraft at 94.9. And if I go in a prediction, so you can see that this has a considered as a sailboats as a 86.1 percentage. Maybe it's due to this green leaf, it's covered to this whole samosa, the both one, so it's considered as a sail. So I think sailboats is 86.1%. And it has images also white colors. And the sport fishing, it's 84% because this has a white color in this pictures, and the picture has a sharp edge, this one, so it's considered as a 84% as a sport fishing. And for a pontoon, this some of area is like a sitting, and it has also some of rectangle, and this white background it's also the part of this thing, so it's also considered as a sport pontoon and sport fishing. Now let's try some other image, like some of water bots, water paper bots. Yeah, so paper boats. Yeah, let's try this one. So it's copy image address, and if I'm going back to this custom vision, let's try the quick test. I'm entering URL. So you can see that the watercraft is 98.4. And if I'm choosing this image, you can see that sport fishing is 83%. So I can say that due to this sharp edge is everywhere in this paper board, so we can see that the sport fishing is 83.1, and its pontoon, some of color is brown, that we uploaded our 7 images is pontoon and sailboats. Let's see the sport fishing in my all these images. So if I go back in sport fishing, so you can see that in a sport fishing we have a sharp edge, and in a so it's considered as a sport fishing. And if I go in the pontoon, it has a brown color like a paper boat, and it has a handle like this prediction, so it has also handle. So let's go, and this has a handle, this image has a handle, so it's also considered as a pontoon at 90%. um Now back to the slide. This is the same thing that this is the upload and take images and your result and how can we test and challenge our model and my reference and link. And thank you, Professor.